Hi, I'm Sian. I'm a bra design and fit expert, here to talk to you today about Playful Promises and their amazing bra fits. First things first, we're going to work out how to tell if your bra fits you well. Today I'm with Josie. She is a lingerie influencer. You can find her on Instagram at @IamJosieJane. Step 1 is to check your underband. You should only be able to fit 2 fingers quite snugly underneath your underband. I'm just going to demonstrate on Josie here, so she'd only be able to get 2 fingers, just like that. Step 2 is to check the cups. You should make sure that your breast is filling the entire cup with no gaping at the neck edge. Step 3 is to check your wires. Wires are very important and the fundamental part of your bra. It's important to make sure that the wire is sitting flush against your rib cage. It's also important to note that you shouldn't have the wires at the centre front tipping forward or digging in too much. If this happens, you may need another size. Step 4 is to make sure that your breast is sitting comfortably in the bra. Some people believe in putting your breast towards the centre or the scoop and swoop method. Josie here is going to demonstrate. Step 5 is to check your straps. If the straps are digging in and they're a bit too tight, then you might need to go down a cup size. If they're too loose, you might just need to make sure that they're fully adjusted. So that concludes our video on how to tell if your bra fits you well. If you do find on the off chance that your bra doesn't fit you well, consider sister sizing. Have a little look at our other videos where we explain what sister sizing is in full. If sister sizing isn't for you, you may want to consider the +4 method. Some people prefer this way of fitting as they don't want an underband that's too snug and too tight for them. So what you need to do is add 4 inches to your underband. That brings you up to a 34 if you were Josie, because she's a 30 double G, and then you will go down a couple of cup sizes, bringing her to a 34 double F. Thank you for watching. We hope that you found this video very helpful in helping you find the perfect bra fit. If you have any questions or queries, please check below.